Hey, here's a video recorded by my 12-year-old son on Thursday, October 22nd, 2020 at my home in the city of Portland, Oregon. And there's a video about 6, 7, maybe even 8 members of the Tigard Police Department are responding to a child custody issue call. Dad and I have been doing this for about 10 years. The kids aren't supposed to be with you. No, they're not supposed to be with you type of thing. But unbeknownst to me, Brandon Michael Porcello, my children's father, back in January, went down to Orange County, a place where neither him, myself, or the children have lived in almost 2 years, and got a modification to our custody order. So the cops were there to arrest me. They all came into my home, tackled me to the ground, and arrested me in front of my children. My son continued to record as much as he could. And I was arrested and charged with 2 counts of felony child custodial interference, even though my son had been home for 7 months. And I told the police this, and my son supported it. Dad hadn't even called or responded to any of our voicemails or text messages. So I don't understand why I was charged with 2 counts of child custodial interference when essentially my son was abandoned by his father. But I am looking at prison time and felonies, and I have court in 13 days. I need help. I have been trying to find an attorney, but it gets costly doing consultations to hear I can't help you. And even the more expensive attorneys, I just don't have that type of money. I am very optimistic that justice will be served and the charges will be dropped, but this is America and we don't know what happens in the legal system. And the reality of it is I'm freaking out here. My children did not deserve that. I don't deserve this. I don't think charging me with a felony and literally maybe putting me in prison is in any way doing well when the change to the custody order was done maliciously. And I don't know. So if you know an attorney, if you are an attorney, if you work on a sliding scale, if you for X amount of hours are willing to dedicate for a certain amount of money, the time to help prepare me for court, I would be very much appreciative if you can forward this to a legal aid clinic, any kind of legal resources so that I can be prepared. I don't want to go to prison. I don't want to go to jail. And I sure as heck don't want a felony, because what will I do with a felony on my record? So anyone, if you can help, I would really, really, really appreciate it. If you could just, if you have experience in California and Oregon family law, as well as Oregon criminal court, and I guess military, because Brandon's in the Air Force, I just need help. And I am tired of sitting here suffering in silence and trying to get through and figure out a way before I end up in jail somewhere, and I really can't even utilize any resources I don't have then. So if you can help, I'd really appreciate it. My kids would appreciate it. And I just want it to be fair. I want this to be as fair. So please forward it to an attorney or any legal assistance if you can. Thanks.
So I would like to talk to you, but I just, like I said, visually had to make sure that they were okay.
Okay, you guys go in your room.
Okay.
Just talk right here. It's fine.
Do you want a Chromebook? So here, what court paperwork do you have?
I have. Bro. That's kind of scary. No, yeah. She said go to her room.